Hello, I am Dr. Benjamin Lim from the Urology Department at Sengkang General Hospital. In this video, we will guide you on how to prepare for flexible cystoscopy, what to expect during the procedure, what to look out for after the procedure, and when to seek further medical attention. Flexible cystoscopy is a common urology procedure that examines your urinary bladder. The procedure typically lasts 5 to 10 minutes, and it is performed in a clinic under local anesthesia. Your visit begins at the self-registration kiosk or the registration counter. Please inform the Patient Service Associate or PSA that you are here for the cystoscopy. The nurse will take your vitals and walk you through a checklist. Once that is completed, please change into patient clothes. Please wait till you are called in. You may wish to know that fasting is not required, and you'll be awake throughout the procedure. You may be required to stop blood thinning agents prior to your appointment date. When the urology team is ready, a nurse will accompany you to the procedure room. Your doctor will discuss the details of the cystoscopy, obtain your consent, and review the results of any previous tests with you. Your genitals will be cleaned with antiseptic solution. Local anesthetic gel will be inserted into your urethra to numb it. The flexible cystoscope will then be gently inserted into your urethra and move towards your bladder. You may feel some discomfort or pressure during this process. You may also feel the need to pee during the procedure, but this will only last a few minutes. In case any abnormalities are detected, the doctor will display the images on a TV screen for you to see. After the procedure, we recommend drinking more water unless there are fluid restrictions in place. You may notice pinkish urine during your next few urinations. This is usually temporary and will resolve by itself. Increasing fluid intake should help clear this up. However, if you experience a fever, heavily blood-stained urine, or unable to urinate after the procedure, please seek medical attention at the emergency department or return to our clinic by 4 p.m. on weekdays. I hope this information provides you with a clearer understanding of what to anticipate during your flexible cystoscopy procedure. Remember, early diagnosis is important to achieve the best possible treatment outcomes.